Magandang araw! Today, allow me to share sa inyo itong MBL o yung Maximum Benefit Limit. So, we will define at magbibigay din tayo ng example. Maximum Benefit Limit. The maximum benefit limit refers to the highest amount of financial coverage that a health insurance policy will provide for specific treatment. In simpler terms, it's the cap on how much an insurance company will pay for medical expenses or other types of claims. Once this limit is reached, the policyholder may have to pay out of pocket for additional costs. This limit is consumable per treatment or illness per person per year. You can avail of service per illness several times as long as they don't exceed your package's total benefit limit. Important, in general, MBL covers ordinary illnesses. Okay, ano ba yung mga example ng ordinary illnesses? Those are dengue fever, typhoid fever, influenza, appendicitis. For pre-existing conditions na coverage, please check the terms and conditions of your plan. Example, your plan's MBL is 100,000. And then you have this coverage from January 1, 2024 to December 31 of 2024. So dito sa example natin, meron tayong tatlong ordinary illnesses. Okay? So first, since ang MBL na dinidiscuss nga natin is 100,000 nung month of January, okay, na-hospitalize si member. Ang kanyang hospital expenses is 30,000. Since meron siyang 100,000 na MBL and since this is an ordinary illness, ang remaining balance na lang niya is 70,000. Noong March, na-hospitalize ulit siya because of the diarrhea. Nag-amount naman sa 20,000. So, ang remaining balance na lang niya is 50,000. Another example, dengue naman. Si member na dengue siya noong April. Okay, ang hospital expenses niya amounted to 100,000. Since 100,000 yung kanyang MBL, kung matendengge ulit siya, no, wag naman. On the month of October, wala na siya ang limit na magagamit. Okay? Another example is itong typhoid fever. August, si member ay na typhoid fever, na hospitalized, nag-amount sa 50,000. So may remaining balance pa siya na 50,000. Noong December, nagkaroon ulit siya ng typhoid fever at nag-amount ulit sa 50,000 yung kanyang hospital expenses. Then, after nun, wala na siyang limit para sa typhoid fever. Okay? All treatment, either inpatient or outpatient related to a certain illness or disease, it will be deducted from your MBL. Okay? Learn more about the annual benefit limit o yung isang limit na tinatawag, which is the ABL, and the pre-existing condition na coverage. Check out in my YouTube channel. I am Chat Castro. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless!